Hello guys, you're welcome to Sonic 315 Studios. My name is Yomi Akatuba. If this is your first time here, kindly hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to be notified each time we post a new content here. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to route your EZdrummer. It is the most easiest. Don't leave me. So your EZdrummer, all right? So it's easy to route. It's the easiest. Let's play what we have here first. All right, so that's what we have. That's what we have. By the way, I'm using EZdrummer from TuneTrack, and that's what we are working on today. I'm using the bass guitar is also from TuneTrack, and this is the Funk Fusion library of the TuneTrack Easy Bass. It's a very nice bass. All right, so today I'm just going to be showing you how to route this EZdrummer into your mixer so that it's going to be appearing here. You get, so it will appear here on your mixer and you can mix them individually. All right, so let's get right into it. So first you'd um click this mixer tab here. All right, click on the mixer tab here. Then next you want to manually route your, you can see the out here. So this is what we are routing. We are pushing into our mixer window, all right, to mix it individually. So what you want to do, because you can't add any plugin here, do you know that? uh i I prefer mixing outside this place. I prefer routing my stuffs because I can't add any plugin here, and I'm sure that's one of your reasons too. I can't add any effects, maybe EQ, compressor, tape and all those things. I can't even group the toms together. I can't, so I prefer routing it out. So what you're going to be doing now is your kick can stay on out 1 and 2. The three kicks, the kick in, kick out, I prefer doing them together. So uh out 1 and 2. So my snare is out 3 and 4, out 3 and 4. So I'm not using the bottom snare. I don't like the sound of it. I only use the top. So I'm doing out 3 and 4 for snares, and I'm doing 5 and 6 for the hi-hat. So you're just going to be doing it like that, like that. The tom 1 would be 7 and 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we stopped at 15, 16 on the floor tom 2. So my ride and my overhead, I like grouping them together since it's, I mean, they have common stuff. So I'm just going to be doing the ride on uh 17, 18. The overhead also is 17, 18. All right, so you can do yours separately. You can do your ride separately, but this is my own preference. All right, so we are halfway done. All right, so if I play these guys now, you can see they are not sounding. You can only hear the kick because it's on 1 and 2. All right, so next up, you're going to be coming here where it says port setup. So click on it and you can see every of our tracks routed. So you are now going to activate it into the mixer, into this mixer here, into this mixer here. So let's do that. Let's come up here and activate. So we have our 3, 4, 5, 6. I think we stopped at 17, 18 on this mixer. Yes, 17, 18. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. You can see as I'm adding it, it's adding up on the mixer. So this is it. So now you have your drums routed out. So that's the stuff there. That's the stuff there. So now the next thing you want to do is to rename your track. Is to rename it. So according to the drums, you're just going to be renaming this. So I have my kick. My kick is there already. Let's play. You can also solo to identify. Okay, so that's our snare. So it's even 3/4. So snare is 3/4. Snare. We have our hi-hats 5/6. Like that. So you're just going to be renaming it. So we have tom 1, tom 2, tom 3, floor tom 1, floor tom 2, and we have our overhead, which contains our ride cymbal. So that's just it. So you have it here now. So next up, I'm just going to be advising you to save your processor. Let me this little guy jump in here so that you can disable your drums and now mix in waves. So what I'm going to be advising you is to bounce these drums into wave format. All right, bounce it. I love mixing in waves format. So bounce it into wave format and you're good to go and you can start mixing. If not, if your system can carry it, then you can mix from here. So let's say I want to work on the drums. So I can start mixing from here. I can just select my kick, add my plugins and mix them individually. Okay, so I hope you got value from this video. If you got value from this video, kindly hit the subscribe button and share this video. By sharing it, you are helping us to reach more producers, more aspiring producers. So here's the kick here. So I mean, with this SSL guy, I've just transformed the kick. Let's play with the bass. So let's check before. To show you can add plugins on your distance. So kindly share this video. So I'll see you later in my next video. Catch ya.